guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, and welcome to my new apartment. I'm so excited to finally be here. So we got the keys yesterday. We're not fully moved in yet. We will be fully moved in by next week. But today I've just been cleaning, wiping down cabinets, countertops, shelves. It's a new construction, so there was a lot of sawdust, a lot of stuff. I did film an empty apartment tour yesterday, so without further ado, without making this intro too long, here's the apartment tour. All right, so we're gonna start over here. This is the front entrance. So coming through here, you make a right, and this is the coat closet. It's a little small, but not too bad. Ceilings are really high, so have a lot of storage space up there. Okay, so then this is the view when you walk in. Those are the stairs to the bedrooms and the other bathroom. So we'll go up there in a minute. We're gonna start down here. So this is my little foyer. I'm thinking I'm gonna put a rug here. And then my console table is gonna go here, and I'm gonna get a mirror for the wall. I'm not using the mirror that I have now. That one I sold. So, but the console table I have, it's gonna fit nicely over here. And then we're gonna walk this way, and then this is the open area where it's going to be my living room, dining area, and kitchen. Still a lot of construction going on over there, but I was told that it's gonna be like just a road. They're not gonna be building any more homes back there, so we will enjoy the beautiful view. So I'm happy about that. So over here, let's turn on some lights because it's dark. So over here is my pantry. I've never had a pantry before, guys. It's a small one, but it will do. Again, have a lot of good storage in here. Yeah, it has a shelving. Not sure what this is for. I know in the older units, I was told that the hot water tank was in here with the pantry. And then with the newer units like mine, they did away with that and they put the hot water tank with the laundry, which makes more sense to me. So, but I'm not sure what that's for or where that leads. I'll have to ask, but it's a pretty good size pantry. I think so. I have to wipe everything down, clean everything because they left a lot of dirt when they installed it. And then this is my kitchen, guys, which I love. I'm so excited. I have so many cabinets, and wait till I show you the cabinets inside. It's like, oh my goodness, I have so much space. Of course, the first thing I think about is my mugs. I'm gonna have so much space for all my mugs. But anyway, this is the new refrigerator, Samsung refrigerator, and it has a side-by-side freezer, which is pretty cool. This is more than enough space for us. And it has like the water filter, ice cube maker. Yeah, the refrigerator that we had in my old apartment was a lot shorter. So there's cabinets up there, which I'm gonna need a stool for. But let me start showing you the cabinets, guys. Look at all this space. I have a lot of space, and the cabinets are those slow close. The slow close cabinets, so that's nice. Brand new microwave. I have a brand new stove, gas stove. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so nice. Everything is brand new. I'm so excited, guys. If you can't tell, I am super excited. Look at all of this cabinet space. I don't know if it's translating on camera, but that's a lot of space. That's gonna hold a lot of my mugs. If you guys are new here, you will soon find out how many mugs I have for all the different seasons and holidays. Look at this. Obviously it's not all for my mugs, but, and then I love this window. I love how big it is, and I can look out when I'm washing dishes. This is a good size windowsill. Can put some little plants. Who knows? Maybe I'll start having a green thumb. I don't know. But I have a lot of cabinet space. So much. And these are just the top cabinets. Of course, I have bottom cabinets too, and drawers. I think this is for that lamp up there. Sort of scuff mark, but there's cabinets there. Brand new dishwasher. It looks like they probably ran it to make sure it worked. Look at all this cabinet space. What am I gonna do with all this? And then I have a Lazy Susan. I'm so excited, guys. Look. I'm so excited. I've never had anything like this. Oops, I have to make sure it's this way. Okay. Yep, and then my island also has cabinets and drawers. They have that soft close. So excited, guys. And this is what my countertops look like. I'm just trying to figure out right now where I'm going to be putting my coffee station. Should I put it here? This is probably where my coffee station is going to go. This is the backsplash. Look how nice, subway tiles. I like it because it's, you know, very like plain. You don't have the black marking that, you know, some subway tiles have. I have a good amount of counter space. This, we're gonna have to do something about this. I know I have to have it out there. I know it's you know, I have to have it because it's an apartment, but we're gonna have to try to camouflage that somehow. But this is my little outdoor space, my patio. Like I said, they're still doing a lot of construction because this is a new construction, but it has a little light switch, which I'm assuming is for out there. And then this is the view from here. You know, so I'm still gonna try to figure out how I'm going to, obviously the dining table is gonna go here, which I haven't bought yet. And then my sofa, I sold my sofas, so new sofa's coming. I need to get 2 stools for here. I think it's gonna be perfect, just the right amount of space for my daughter and I. You know, it's not huge, but it's good enough for us. And we have 2 windows, so we're gonna get a lot of light in here, which I'm very excited about. Very, very excited about. So then walking over here, we have a bathroom, full-size bathroom. Turn on the light. They're gonna come and install the rod for the curtains. But yeah, this is a full-size bathroom. We have good size sink with cabinets down here, and that's the mirror. I'm used to having like a little linen closet, but there aren't any here. So I've mentioned that we're limited with closet space in this place, which is weird to me, but. And then right across from this bathroom is the laundry. I'm so excited, guys. Excuse my squeaky voice, but this is me super excited. So we have top and bottom washer and dryer from Samsung. And then this is the water heater. Ugly thing. I have space here to put a little cart where I'm gonna put the detergent and, you know, all the stuff that we need to wash, but this is more than enough for us. And we're just so excited that we have our in-unit laundry. And then this door leads to the garage. I'm not gonna open it right now. My car is in there, but that's the garage. And then so we can come in through here. And this is the view from here. So we'll see. Right now, I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to set up, like where would I put the TV. I mean, they leave this cable here for the cable for TV. They have an outlet on the top, so if you want to mount your TV, you can do that. My daughter is like, wait, maybe we should mount it. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, so this is the first floor. Let me know what you guys think. I'm so excited that we get to finally have a new apartment. Oh yeah, we have the lighting. What do you call those type of lightings? Can't think right now. So we have light up there. In the apartment, in my old apartment, it was so old that they didn't have lighting. We had to use lamps because there was no, besides the dining area, we did have a fan and light, and obviously the kitchen, but living room, bedrooms, we didn't have lighting in there. We just had to buy lamps. So that's exciting. And then let me see if you guys can see the crown molding. Very nice. So I am very, very happy, and I pray that we can make this our home, our cozy home, and I'm sure we are. I'm sure we're gonna make it nice and cozy and hopefully entertain and just new beginnings, right? New beginnings here. All right, let me take you guys upstairs. Not sure how I feel about the rugs, to be honest, but that's okay. That's okay. It's all right. So this is one bedroom when you walk up. This is the first bedroom. You hit here. And I think this is gonna be my daughter's bedroom because it does have the best view, but has 2 closets, nice ceiling fan, black. We were already in here taking measurements and all that. Windows nice and big. Windowsill is nice and big. I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but very nice. And we have central AC. So, very exciting. My daughter's getting new furniture, so excited about that. Okay, so then out here, when you walk out this room, there's the other full bath, and then that's gonna be my room, I believe. Yeah. So this is it. Same thing. This room might be a little bit bigger. I'm not sure, to be honest, maybe. But still 2 closets, same fan. This one has a little nook, which I'm hoping I can fit my desk. The only weird thing with this one is that the window is a little off center of the room. So this side of the room is like a little darker. Again, the rooms have like the outlets on top, so if you want to mount a TV, you can. I don't think I'll be mounting mine, but... And then this is the other side of the room. I think I'm gonna put my bed here. Yeah, so then we walk out. And then this is the other full bath. This one is separate. The sink is here. Then you have your own little part over there for the toilet and the shower. I really like the countertops. Very nice, but definitely got to wipe down everything. Everything is, oh, I turned on the vent, but that has the light here too. So this is a stand-up shower up here. Downstairs is the tub. But that's okay. That's okay. So yeah. So that's it, guys. That is the apartment. So being that we don't have linen closets, I have to buy something for us to put away things. So it's gonna go here. I'm gonna get some sort of a cabinet and put it here so we can store everything, like our towels and all of our bathroom necessities, hair things, nail polishes, you know, the things that we have now. I have noticed that there's some scuff marks, I guess, from, you know, the people that were here painting, and some paint dripped and stuff. So I did ask them to give me like some paint so I can retouch wherever I see, because those kind of things really bother me. Yeah, see, I just noticed this right here. I gotta tell them I just noticed this, because you gotta tell them everything you see when you move in. So today's day one, so I'm gonna take a picture and show them. And then, yeah, this is the view from up here. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. I will take any and all suggestions for decorating. I need curtains. Should I mount the TV on the wall? Not sure about that. Yeah, let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.